Savages come out to trade. What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Zay Savage here at TP Savages, and you know the TP stands for Take Profit, baby. Today is currently April 8th, 2023. Now, being as though that is a Saturday, we are not going to be doing any type of trading today. Because the market is closed, of course. But as you can tell from the title, today we're going to be helping you guys set up your pocket options account, showing you guys how to fund your account, and also general navigation so you guys can get familiar with the platform and be a little more comfortable about what's going on within this broker. So before we start the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, because it encourages me to put out more content like this for you guys. Also, it helps with the YouTube's algorithm, so I've heard. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is create an account. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, but I've already made a tester account. As you can see up here, this is just a tester account, and I'm going to sign in. In your case, you're going to sign up. Now, once you've signed in, on password, you signed in, it's going to bring you to the main page where you're going to see your charts, different things. Everything should be blank. Okay, you guys? Everything should be blank. You should have no money in there. Okay. Now, if you do have money in there, I suggest you log out because that is not your account. All right. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is confirm your email address. Like I said, I've already done this already, just for the sake of the video, not make it too long. So once you've confirmed your email address, it's going to bring you to a page where you enter your general information, like your name, first name, last name, phone number, date of birth, etc. All right. Once this part, your identity info is complete, you're going to scroll down and you're going to want to have your identity verified. So please make sure you're portraying as yourself and not somebody else, you guys. And also, please don't make duplicate accounts because they will ban you. All right. So depending on your country, you will select, in this case, United States. This is where I'm at, but this is also available to multiple countries out there. As you can see, Madagascar, Mali, uh, Mexico, Monaco, Peru, Napa. Okay, so there's a lot of different countries. So do not get discouraged if you're across seas and you're trying to also trade. And it's available to everybody. So once you select your country, you'll select your document type. They offer three document types: passport, your local ID, or your driver's license. In this case, I will pick my driver's license. Put in my driver's license information here, or the documentation number. From there, you're going to want to upload a photo of that document. I suggest you doing this part with your cellular device just to make it simple, unless you have a computer screen where you can take pictures of things and it comes out clear. So after you uploaded that document type, depending on your country, it usually takes around 2 to 5 days. I know here in the US, it takes roughly 2 days, sometimes shorter. It actually was like a day and a half for me. I say about like 19 hours or something like that. But after the verification process is done, you're good to go. Now, this is optional. If you guys want, you can add an avatar or a logo, hide your profile, change your nickname, whatever. All right. I do recommend you guys turning on these settings here because it gives you a lot of updates on what's going on within the platform. So, once all of this is complete, this is the part that a lot of people ask me. How do I fund my account? All right, simple, you guys. So first thing you're going to want to do is come up here to the top right where it says top up, and it's going to bring you to a page full of different cryptocurrencies. Now, most brokers that I know of, uh, they do accept payments via Bitcoin, Binance, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tether, USDC, etc. For this example, I'm going to be using Bitcoin because this is the deposit method that I generally use. So I will click on Bitcoin. Now, for your first, if you're new to the platform, your first time deposit is going to be $50. Okay, that's the minimum deposit when you're signing up for the first time. Anytime after, excuse me, damn. Anytime after that, it's still gonna say $50. Even if you put a different amount in here, it's still going to say a minimum of $50. That does not mean that you have to deposit another $50. Okay. So if you only have $20 to your name and you want to put it inside of your broker account and start trading with that, you can do that. Just make sure that you just type in the amount that says $50 so it allows you to go to the next page. All right. So from here, I will hit continue and it's going to bring me to a wallet address. All right. So this is important, you guys. This is very important because a lot of people will screw this up and they'll be pissed because their money will just be floating in space and it never reaches their broker account. So if you don't have a way to deposit Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin, I'll leave a link in the description below for the platform that I use in order to purchase Bitcoin and also have it sent over to the broker account so I'm able to trade. So what I do recommend is that you hitting a copy button instead of typing these letters out one by one because the chances of you missing one letter are high. And if you miss just one letter, that money will never reach your account and it'll be floating on the blockchain forever. Okay. So copy this and then we'll be heading over to our Kraken account to purchase Bitcoin. Now, I made a Kraken account, like I said, for educational purposes. I'm just going to be walking you guys through how to actually fund fund it through this platform. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come over to buy crypto. Okay. Um, before we do that, I am gonna make another video for you guys because you do have to verify this account as well. Uh, just because it's crypto and they're just super strict about verification. So I'm gonna make another video on how to actually get fully verified and have this shield up here, and you'll be able to make withdrawals and deposits with ease without no problems. Okay. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is hit buy crypto. Now in this example, I'm not gonna be buying no crypto. I'm just showing you guys the process in order to get the crypto. So what you're going to want to do is buy and enter your amount. All right. So in this case, it's $50. You'll confirm your amount. And then from there, you should see your amount show up over here at the top right corner where it says available balances. Okay. Now, you can go back to your home page, which is here. And I would say give it about 2, maybe 3 minutes for the process to get to your account so your bank can verify everything. After you've done that, like I said, you should see your available balance here within 1, 2, maybe 3 minutes. After you see your balance available, the next thing you're going to want to do is come over to funding. Now, this is the really important part, you guys. This is the part that a lot of people miss. All right. So once you are at this page, you'll scroll down and you'll go over to withdrawal, not deposit. Okay, it's withdrawal. Now I know that's confusing because when you go to a bank to withdraw cash, that means you're taking money out. If you go to a bank to deposit money, you're putting money in. When it comes to the crypto space, it's reversed. Okay. So withdrawals are actually deposits. Deposits are actually withdrawals. All right. So what you're going to want to do is hit withdraw, select your asset. In this case, it will be Bitcoin. And it's going to bring you to this page here. All right. Now make sure that this withdrawal is highlighted and not the deposit. Okay. Make sure the withdrawal is highlighted. You don't need to worry about this Lightning Network thing. That's irrelevant. All right. So once you're here, you're going to want to add a withdrawal address. Now, the withdrawal address is that same address that we had took from over here. Okay, so make sure you have that copied or put it on a notepad or something, and then you'll come back over here and you would make a new address. All right, so I will add a new address, and I'm just going to name it 123, and then I'm going to copy or paste that address within the uh, the box here. Now, um, I had this account already verified, so it's gonna ask me, it's gonna prompt me to do a 2FA verification. There's multiple 2FA authenticators that you can use out there. Google has one for free that I know of. I use an app in this case. So what you're going to want to do from here is go over here and confirm your email address. So once you have confirmed your email address, it's going to bring you back to this page. Okay. Now, once you come back to this page, uh, it's going to prompt you to put the amount in. In this case, you're going to want to put the full amount, and then you should be ready to go. Give it about 5, maybe 15 minutes for your crypto to reach your broker account, being as though that the blockchain process it's a complex process. I truly don't know why, but just give it about 5, maybe 15 minutes. Don't get nervous when you don't see your money right away. Okay, nothing is instantaneous. All right, you guys. So once you have completed this part here, you're gonna want to come back to your broker. And I say about like I said, 5, maybe 15 minutes, and refresh this page. You don't have to stay on this page. You can refresh it or just go over here to quick trading, and you should see your balance within your account momentarily. Now, if you have any problems, you guys, say 25, 35 minutes goes by, make sure you reach out to support and let them know what's happening. And 9 times out of 10, they are prompt and they will solve that problem for you guys. All right. So you made it this far. Now we're going to do just a little bit of navigation around the platform. I'm going to give you guys um, my my pros and cons about the platform. So the first thing that I personally like about this platform is that recently they integrated MT5. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with MT5 or MetaTrader 5, that is the forex side of trading. So now Pocket Options initially started off with binary trading. So I'm going to go over to the demo account here, and I'm going to just give you guys an example of what the binary side looks like and what the forex side looks like. So currently, as you can see, we're still on the home screen. This is the binary side, and what that means is that when we take trades, um, it's it's a timer based trade. So let's just say for example sake of the video, I have $100 and I think that the market is going to continue going down. I think it's going to continue going up. You have the option to set the timer for 5 seconds up to 4 hours on how long you want that trade to run. Okay. So say I wanted to let this trade run for a minute and I thought that it was going to be going up. Okay. I would hit up, and as you can see over here on the right side, a timer starts. And if you are above your tick mark in this case, which is right here, you will make your profit in that given amount of time. All right, you guys. So this is what we will call binary trading. All right, binary options. Okay. So I'm going to show you a comparison on what the forex side looks like, which most people use as far as MetaTrader 5. So what you would do is click over here to the left at trading, and you will go over to MT5. Now they both have real accounts and demo accounts where you can test things out if you want. For the sake of the video, we're going to be going to the demo side of the account. and the screen should look a little different. All right, screen looks a little different. Now, like I said, the market is closed here, and this is actually one of the things that I like about the integration uh, between Pocket Options and MT5, because everything is in real time now. There's no OTC. You know, you're not they're not letting you trade after hours. It's 9:30 to 4 Monday through Friday. Okay, New York Stock Exchange time. All right. So let's just say, for example, we wanted to trade some Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin trades all day. So we'll go over to our asset Bitcoin, and instead of us setting a timer, um, in this case, we'll be setting lot sizes, lot sizes, and I'll make another video to explain all of this for you guys. This is just a quick example on the different comparisons of the platform. All right. So in this case, you would pick a lot size, and say I wanted to put down a point three lot size. Um, you have the option to set a take profit, a stop loss, closing price, etc. All right. So say I wanted to go in for a buy right now. Okay. I'll hit buy. You see over here, it'll open your position, and now your position is open. Now, unlike the binary side of the account or of the platform, you have the option to hold your trade, or you have the option to close your trade. So you don't have to wait until a timer ends in order to make your profits. Okay, if that makes any sense. You don't have to wait. Okay, so say I should say hypothetically we're $30 in profit right now, which is not. Um, we would say, okay, maybe I want to hold it, catch a couple more pips, grab a little more profit, or if you think that um, you have enough profit, or you're well enough, or you're losing too much, which in this case you should have set a stop loss, you can actually close your trade. So this is actually one of my go-tos, and I recommend a lot of people using the forex side of the broker opposed to the binary side of the broker, because the forex side gives you a little more controllability when it comes to your trades. Okay, if that makes any sense. It's, how can I say, the binary side is more like gambling, if you ask me. It's more like going to a casino and saying I'm betting and it goes up for a minute, and you know, if it doesn't go up for the minute and it goes down for the minute or the hour or the 15 minutes or the whatever time that you set it for, you'll lose that money. You know, instead of you saying, "Look, I'm in profit. I think I want to close it now." It's a little more ease at mind instead of, "Oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm losing money. I can't stop it." Well, in this case, on the forex side, you can stop it. As you can see here, I closed my account with negative 18 cents profit, and this is, you know, this is just examples, you guys. But opposed to setting a timer and having it, you know, just the headache on your mind, like, am I going to make the profit? I'm going to make the profit before the timer runs. I recommend you guys using this side of the platform. Now, if you have the capital and if you have the experience, you can use the binary side. Uh, you can make money with the binary side as well. Like I said, it's just a little more volatile, and it's a lot more riskier than using the forex side. All right, you guys. So I'm going to give you guys my pros and cons on what I think about the platform in general. So, what I generally think about the platform, it's an amazing platform, you guys. It's an amazing platform uh, for multiple different reasons, and one of the main reasons that I liked that they had started this year was the social trading. Now, if you look over here to the right, you'll have social trading, and from here, you can see people from all over the world who are trading. You can see the number of trades that they take, the profit that they made, their profit, the percentage of profitable trades that they made, and also you can actually click on their accounts and add them to your favorites if you would like to reach out to them for advice later on, or even copy their trades. Now, in order to do that, like I said, you have to add money to your account and have your account verified. But with the copy trade system that they have here, say I wanted to copy this guy here, Lynn. Okay, I want to copy his trades, right? So what I would do is, if I have money in the account, I would uh I would go here. It'll be a copy button right here, and what you'll be able to do is anytime he's on the platform and he's trading, you will set a specific amount. So say every time that he took a trade, you wanted to go in with 2% of your account, or $5. Let's just say, for example, $5. So every time he takes a trade, he takes an option, your account automatically sets the same position that he took on his side of the platform, which I think is a little cool. And also, it could be a little risky because you don't know these people personally. And, some days they can have good days, some days they can have bad days. And how can you tell that? Well, as you can see here today, um, he took 28 trades. He was profitable 64%, which is decent. His turnover, well, his profit for today was roughly $3,800, almost $4,000. His max trade was $1,000. His minimum trade was five. His max profit for the day was $920. Now, I think this is really awesome, but like I said, you guys be wary of this. I wouldn't recommend you doing this on a daily. If you see something, if you see somebody that's like having a really good day, like this guy over here, he's said, oh, look at this one, 100% profitable. He took two trades. Um, and that was yesterday, okay? And this ranked for the last 24 hours. So this was yesterday. He took five trades. He cleared all of them. Now, if you want to say, look, I want to go watch this guy, or I want to reach out to this person, you can actually message this person here and say, hey, what's up? Something to along those effects. You know what I mean? And they also have a general chat room. If you will go back, you'll have a general chat here. Typically, it's in English. You can change that though, and this will be just messages from everybody. And it's not specific to any category. Some people are here asking questions about deposits. Some people are asking questions about withdrawals. Some people are just here being straight assholes. And they have moderators that kick those people out and ban them if they just want to be a holes all day. So, um, this is something that you guys will really want to pay attention to when it comes to trading with this platform, being as though that can give you some insights on what's going on with the market. Now, if you don't want to use this option, there's another decent option that this platform has to offer, and they actually offer news. So if or analytics. So if you click on the A here on your platform, it's going to show you a calendar, analytics, and different applications. So what that means is that it's basically just showing you news. Okay, you guys. So you got like right here, retail sales. If you open it, it'll give you a brief description about what's going on with this specific news document right here, and you can base your trades off of what's going on here. So it says retail sales measure the change of total value of inflation adjusted sales at the retail level. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish for the ASR, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative or bearish for the ASR. All right. So this is really, I think, it's just a game changer, because before this, we would use platforms like My Forex Factory or My FX Book, where it tells you news. For those of you who are familiar with trading news, if you're not, definitely go get informed and educated. I will be dropping some more videos about these things as well. Moving on to analytics, also another big um, plus to the platform as well. It gives you different analytics for different currency pairs, um, along with news as well. So Verizon Communications Inc. And this is on a weekly time frame. You see what I mean? So if I click on that, it will give you literally a whole synopsis on what's going on with this specific company at that time. You know, and not only that, it would give you certain levels of resistance and support levels. So this could kind of guide you in a way to say, look, I'm not really I'm not really hip to reading charts, and I don't know where to enter or get out. If like I said, if you would like to be on the that side of trading, you can always come here to refer to it. I won't use this information directly. I will always do my own analysis and kind of compare it to what's going on here. And I think it's amazing because it takes out all of those windows that we needed to be open in order just to make a trade. Okay, everything is set in place right here on the platform where you don't have to leave the platform, and I just think it's awesome. So if you scroll down a little more within the analytics, now this you would never see my charts looking like this. Okay, this never. It's just too much going on. But for those of you who do know what's going on, um, as you can see, we are on the Verizon daily chart. Um, it's currently in a downtrend with a little pivot up here. It's too much stuff going on here. So I'm just going to scroll down. But it does give you some type of insight on which way the market is going, and it gives you a visual insight on what's going on from their point of view. This is what they are suspecting to happen with this particular asset. Now, if you scroll down, you'll also give you trading tips. Now, like I said, if you're a person that isn't really hip to reading the charts or knowing when to get in, knowing when to set your stop loss, here are tips. And these guys are pros with it. Now, that doesn't mean that they're always going to be right, but it does give you insight. So, a trading tip for this asset would be long positions should be opened above $39.84, or with the price reversal in the area of $38.22, with target or TP profits hitting $40, 62 cents, $41, $42. Now, and I think this is really interesting because not only does it give you an indication of entry, it also gives you indications of take profits, and also gives you indications of stop losses, as you can see here. So if you were to open a trade at 30, say if you did take this information just directly, which like I said, I don't recommend, but use it to your advantage. You did take this entry here at 39.84, and you didn't know anything about setting the stop loss, or you just say, look, I'm just too concerned. You know, I'm gonna set the $39.30 as my stop loss. You can reference to this. Okay, you guys. You can reference to this at any time. Information here is updated literally daily, if not hourly, for multiple different assets. And it will give you a basic scenario on the time frame that they're looking at these assets on, the recommendations that they're they're predicting the option. In this case, it's a buy. The entry point, the take profit, stop loss, key levels. I think that this is really decent information, and a lot of brokers don't do this. Now even though that this might not be 135% accurate, the chances of you getting a 60% is way better than you going off on your own and only reaching 40%. You see what I mean? Okay. The whole trading process is about risk to reward management, you guys. Okay. So use this type of information to your advantage, you guys. And always do your own technical analysis. All right. So I'm gonna move on over here to the application side. Now this is just general stuff. If you want to download the apps, um, I don't really use the apps. Uh, just for the simple fact I can't see everything. It doesn't look like how it is on the computer or the tablet. So I do recommend you using this on the tablet, you guys. So those are, wait, actually, no, it's not. No, it's not. There's another there's another decent aspect about this platform as well. So if you look over here to the side, they have what they call a market. Now, if you click on market, it's it's more so competition friendly. Now, you have different options here. You have gems and you have all types of things going on here. So the one of the biggest things that I found to be interesting was the gems lottery and the gems mining. Now, if you're not a person that's too interested in these type of things, you can definitely bypass it. It really doesn't pertain anything to trading, but it is a perk within the platform. So with the gems mining, you can earn money with the help of other traders and pocket options. You copy professional traders. What are gems? Gems are used to purchase all sorts of trade advantages in the market, and of course, this is the market. This is their marketplace. It should call the marketplace. Okay, but with the gems mining, it's basically like staking your crypto coins. So you can open up, they call it a vault, and you can deposit a certain amount of money in there, and then over time it accrues interest within the platform. So say you put $1,000 in and you put another 500 in every month, it'll give you anywhere like 2 maybe 10% on your investment every month, which I think is pretty decent. Now, in order to obtain these gems, of course, you would have to trade. These are basically rewards. Okay, so you get rewarded for trading. All right. If you go back over here to the market, you'll see different little tabs right here. So you have a promo codes tab, you have a bonus to the balance tab, risk free. Bonus to balance is exactly what it sounds like. If you have 10 of these diamonds here, you can get $5 directly to your account. 15, $10, 30, 25, etc., etc. All right. So the risk free part of it, so say you took a trade for $10 and you lost it, but you have one of these risk-free trades. This will basically cover your loss. So in order to obtain that, you would have to have at least 5 of these green gems in order to um, select this condition. They also have cash back features, boosters, um, whole lot of different features, even including bots. So I don't really use the bots, and this is one of the cons to it. I've used them before, and I found out that they are not as profitable as you would think they are. So I wouldn't take every single trade. I wouldn't rely. I should say I wouldn't rely on this section of the platform in order to take trades. Like I said, I would do my own analysis and I would just kind of put everything together to see if everything fits in the puzzle onto what my analysis tells me. Okay. So this is one of the cons that I have about the platform. One of the biggest cons, and like I said, it's the bots. Sometimes they work. Sometimes you'll make a profit, and then a lot of other times you're like, well, damn, the bot told me this. Well, the bot isn't the bot is just a bot. It's being told what to do. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, you guys, that is how you open up your broker account, fund your account, and just general navigations on what's going on between the platform. You have a binary side, which is here. And you have a forex side, which is here. Now, I'm going to be making more videos than you got for you guys, just to give you some more in-depth details. We can also take some live trades as well. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, you smash that like button. I'm going to leave a link to my free Discord chat down below in the description where I give out 2 signals daily on 2 different pairs that I find that uh, are looking very nice, or setups that I had been looking out through the week. And I give those trade setups in my Discord chat for free. 2 a day. If you would like to have more setups and more information, more knowledge about what's going on, I do have a VIP chat coming out soon. But right now, we're going to be doing things the free way and getting the ball rolling for you guys who are new to the platform and are just wanting to make a couple $1,000 starting off. All right. So I do appreciate you guys watching the video to the end. Make sure you sign up for a Pocket Options account. Get it fully verified, and let's start making money, you guys. Here at TP Savages, this is your boy Zay Savage, and I'm out.